guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a duct tape flower pen tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you this flower pen tutorial. So this is how it looks like. Let me just focus it. So they're all Duct brand duct tapes. And it's red, white, and Scotty Dogs by Duct brand, as I said. And it is a flower pen, so there is a pen and a cap on it so the ink doesn't dry out. So if you guys want to see how to make this, then just keep on watching. So the materials you'll be needing is a cutting mat, a Xoxo knife. Also, you'll be needing 3 duct tapes. I'm going to be using red, white, and Scotty Dogs by Duct brand. And you'll be needing a pen. So the first thing you'll be doing is take your pen and measure how much it is to the point of the cap, not to the point of the cap, where the cap starts from, to the end of your pen. So mine is 4.5 inches. So now I'm just going to take my Xoxo knife and cutting the tape, and now I'm just going to pick it up and just putting it on my pen. And now I'm just going to roll it up so it makes an even layer. So now here I'm just cutting out 2 inches for the petals. So here is how to make the petals. First, start from your right bottom and then fold it up and then turn it and then fold it to the left to the top. Left bottom to the top. So that's how I make my petals. So I'm just showing you to see how. I'm just going to show you it again here. Start from the right to the bottom right to the top, and then the left bottom to the top. So now right here I'm just going to be showing you how many petals I used. For the white petals I used 40 petals. For the Scotty Dogs I used 8 petals. And then for the red petals, I used 16 petals. For the first layer, I'm going to be using 16 petals. And for the middle one, I'm going to be using 40 petals. And then last layer, and I'm going to be using only 8 petals. So I'm just going to take my pen and going to take the stem color of my pen. So that's red. So I'm just going to take my first petal and just showing you how it looks like. So that's how it looks like when you put your petals on. So now I'm just going to be showing you this in fast forward. If this part doesn't turn out good, it'll look wrong and your flower pen won't turn out good. So I'm just showing you it in 4 petals. And now I'm done with my 16 petals. So this is how it looks like when the 16 petals are done. So now I'm just going to take my white petals. And now wherever the gaps are, like right here, I'm going to put the petals there. Whatever ones don't have a gap between them, I'm not going to put them on there. So I'm going to put all 4 of them on there in fast forward motion. So this is how it looks like when the 4 petals look like this. So I'm just showing you it again. Wherever the gaps are, just put your petals there. This is how it looks like when all 8 petals are done. So I'm done with my petals. So now I put all of my 40 petals on to my pen. So this is how it looks like when your red and white petals are done. So now I'm just going to take my design colored one and I'm going to show you this again. So wherever the gaps are, I'm going to just put them on that places. So this is how it looks like when your flower pen is done. So I'm just going to take the design color again and just cut out 3 pieces of 1-inch pieces. So I'm just going to take that and just taking off one and just putting it and covering the white part wherever, whatever your color is, I'm going to cover that part up. So I'm just going to take my second piece and do the same thing. So this is how the finished flower pan looks like when this is all done. So if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out my previous videos that I did and follow me on Google Plus at HeyyEmann. I'll have it down there somewhere. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye!